Hey guys, what's going on? I came up with something. Some of you might already do it, but it's just something that I thought of and I think it's pretty sweet, so I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe some of you watching this are like, yeah, that's a pretty good idea, and I'll do it as well. Alright, so I don't have garage heat yet. It's in the works. Maybe I'll get it done sometime, but just not a priority. So, I use a torpedo heater to heat my garage. It's 10 degrees outside today. It's pretty cold. Need to work in the garage. So like typically I come home from work, I'll fire up the torpedo heater, go inside, hang out for 20 minutes, a half hour, let the garage warm up some so it's manageable out here and not freezing. So I was like, I was looking into those smart home system things and I came up with this Wemo smart plug. That's what it looks like. You could double stack. You could put two of them in an outlet if you want. I bought mine at Lowe's for $35. You can probably find them on Amazon or eBay, maybe a little bit cheaper. So anyways, the setup for it is really quick. It takes less than a minute or so. You don't need any kind of, some of the smart systems, you have to have like a hub. This doesn't require any of that. You just need the app on your phone, which I have. It's a Wemo app, W-E-M-O, and really simple. But it'll also work with Google Home or your Amazon, like Alexa. It works with those too. So if you had Alexa in your house, you could just be like, Alexa, turn on garage heat, and boom, you have heat rolling in your garage. So why I did it is like while I'm on my way home from work, it's so cold. While I'm on my way home from work, I can, anytime you have cell phone service, okay, so the plug just needs Wi-Fi connectivity. So my garage is about 30 feet from my house or so. So I have Wi-Fi out here. And so the smart plug is connected to the Wi-Fi. And as long as you have that, anytime your phone has service or Wi-Fi, you can you can use this for anything. You can use it for lights in your house or anything you plug in. I just use it, I'm using it for this torpedo heater so I can turn my garage heat on. So I'm on my way home from work, bam, I hit the on switch and heat's going in my garage. Some of you might be like, well, that's a safety hazard because your garage might burn down. It's just a risk I'm gonna take. But anyways, so as long as it's plugged in, it's got the 3 prongs so you can plug this in. You can turn it on manually with this button. If you push that, it's just an on-off switch basically. So that's the other big thing. I mean, this, once you put power to it, it kicks on. But like if you have a light, a lamp or something, you got to make sure that the switch is on, and then you use that as your switch, the box, the smart outlet. So what we're gonna do, and this will work from anywhere, like I said. You bring up your phone, Wemo app. You can put a picture. So I put a picture of a torpedo heater, garage turbo heater, and there's an on-off switch right here. Before I do this, I just wanted to say you can also with these, there's timers in here. You can set it to come on at a certain time, go off at a certain time. So if you're using lights and you're away on vacation, you can have it so it turns on at night, turns off at like midnight, 1 o'clock, so people think you're home. It's a good security feature. So anyways, all I got to do is hit the on switch from anywhere that I have cell phone service. And the torpedo heater's working. That's pretty cool. Like I said, I can do it from anywhere. You don't have to be standing right next to it. So the other cool thing about this is, and why I did it, I can be in the house. Why I did this, I can be in the house, and instead of coming out here into a cold garage, I can turn it on, wait the 20 minutes or whatever, come out here, and the garage is already warmed up. So I'll show you to turn it off. Hit the power switch, off. Want to turn it back on? Power switch. It's thinking, there we go. So it's pretty cool. I mean, you can use it for anything, really. I just thought this is pretty cool to turn the heat on in my garage while I'm in the house. $35 Wemo, and yeah, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.